This tool is a game changer for cleaning the windshield on your car or truck. Keep watching and I'll show you how it works. Cleaning a windshield, especially the inside, is one of those jobs everyone avoids. No matter how careful you are, you always miss a corner or end up with streaks. I picked up this windshield cleaning tool on Amazon, and right out of the box, it actually looks pretty legit. Everything here looks cool, and honestly, I'm really curious to see how well this works in real life. This is one of those tools that sounds useful, but I wanted to actually try it before recommending it. All right, let's take a look at what comes in the box. The main piece is the windshield cleaning tool itself with an extendable handle. You can make it longer or shorter depending on your vehicle, and right away it feels pretty sturdy, not flimsy or cheap. It also comes with multiple microfiber cloths, which is nice because you can rotate them out or wash them between uses. There's a small spray bottle you can fill with your favorite window cleaner or even just water if you want to keep it simple. It also includes a storage bag, which I honestly didn't expect but really like because it keeps everything in one place. You also get a warranty card, a thank you card, and a simple instruction manual that shows how everything goes together. Overall, first impression out of the box is solid. Nothing feels unnecessary and nothing feels missing. All right, now we're actually going to use it. We sprayed some window cleaner directly onto the microfiber cloth, so we're not overspraying cleaner all over the dashboard or interior. Cleaning a windshield, especially the inside, can be super frustrating. If you've ever tried doing this with just a rag, you know how awkward it can be to reach certain spots. This is where this tool really shines. The extendable handle lets you reach the entire windshield, the top corners, the bottom edges, and all those hard-to-reach areas. If you drive an SUV, a truck, or a larger vehicle, this makes a big difference. First impressions using it are really good. The microfiber cloth glides smoothly across the glass, and the head stays flat so you're not fighting the tool. You can apply even pressure without straining your wrist or shoulder. This is one of those tools that just makes an annoying job way less annoying. After using it for a few minutes, I can already tell this is something we'll actually keep using. It's simple, effective, and it does exactly what it's supposed to do. Honestly, it's kind of satisfying to use. Another thing I really like is how adjustable the handle is. You just twist it to extend it, twist again to lock it in place, and it stays exactly where you want it. When you're done, you can twist it back to loosen it and shorten it again. No buttons, no complicated parts, just simple and practical. When you're finished, everything fits right back into the storage bag. The microfiber cloths, the spray bottle, and the tool itself all fit inside. I like this because it keeps everything together and easy to grab when you need it. This would be perfect to keep in your trunk or garage without it turning into clutter. Overall, this windshield cleaning tool is simple, useful, and actually works. It makes cleaning your windshield faster and way less frustrating. I'll link it below if you want to check it out for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos from Dan Good Dad.